Do you remember when this same knife sliced paper clean, but today it just tears and drags like it's tired? Hello everyone. This knife has been in my kitchen for years, and seeing it struggle like this feels less like damage and more like a reminder that it hasn't been cared for in a long time. First, take a ceramic cup and turn it upside down on the table. The unglazed ring on the bottom is the part you need. Sprinkle a little salt on that surface. Then add a few drops of vinegar. Hold the knife at a steady angle and draw the blade across the edge of the cup, from heel to tip. Use slow, even strokes. Tell me where you're watching from. I always enjoy seeing the different cities and states you're tuning in from. Do both sides the same way. You will feel the edge start to bite again after just a few passes. Now wipe the blade clean with a cloth and take a piece of paper. Hold it steady and make a slow cut. This time the knife goes through clean. No tearing. No dragging. That quick test tells you the edge is already back and doing its job again. That first method works well and brings the edge back faster than most people expect. But sometimes you want something even more interesting, something you would never think to try. So let's slow down and move to a second way. I take another dull kitchen knife and try slicing a tomato. The blade presses, the skin stretches, and nothing cuts clean. This is the kind of moment that tells you the edge is gone. And this is where the next method comes in. Using something most people already have, but rarely look at twice. Now let's get the spark plug ready. Take an old spark plug and clamp it firmly in a vise so it cannot move. Keep it steady and work slow. Using a cutoff wheel on the angle grinder, carefully cut through the metal ring around the plug. Do not rush this part. Let the tool do the work and keep your hands clear. Once the metal sleeve is cut, twist and remove it to expose the white ceramic inside. That ceramic is what we want. It is hard, fine, and perfect for sharpening. Wipe it clean so there is no dust or oil left. Now the spark plug is prepared and ready for the next step. Now clamp the ceramic part of the spark plug upright in the vise so it stays steady. Put a small amount of toothpaste on the ceramic surface. Spread it evenly with your finger. This works as a mild polishing compound. Place the knife on the ceramic at a natural angle and draw it across the surface in slow, controlled strokes. Keep the pressure light and steady. After a few passes on each side, you can feel the edge getting cleaner and sharper. Wipe the blade dry, and you are ready to test it. Now it is time to check the result. Take a fresh tomato and hold it steady on the board. Do not press hard. Let the knife do the work. As the blade touches the skin, It slides in clean and smooth. You can cut thin slices without crushing the tomato. That tells you the edge is sharp and even again. For a knife that was dull just minutes ago, this simple method really brings it back to life. Before we put the spark plug away, there is one more useful trick worth showing. Take a look at these scissors. They look fine. But when you try to cut a plastic bag, they just fold it instead of cutting. This is the same problem we see at home all the time. And the spark plug can help one last time. Now, take the ceramic part of the spark plug and look closely at the fine grooves along the surface. Hold the dull scissors at a natural angle and place one blade into those grooves. Slowly open and close the scissors, letting the ceramic edge do the work. Do not force it. Keep the motion steady and controlled. Repeat this a few times on both blades, using the same pressure each pass. You will notice they already feel sharper and more responsive, ready for a simple test. Now take a thin plastic bag and try a simple cut. This time, the scissors slide through clean and easy. Today, you saw 3 simple ways to sharpen knives and scissors using things you already have at home. Nothing complicated, just steady hands and a little patience. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe for more practical DIY tips, and share it with someone who still enjoys fixing things the old way.